Yo, what's up? Can anyone hear me? Just let me know if everything's clear. You guys can hear my voice perfectly and you can see the screen. Amazing, great. Um, we'll begin this stream. Thanks, first of all, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. And we'll begin this stream in like 3, 4 minutes when there are some people. Great. So how's your weekend? How did it went? Hopefully it went well. Are you from? No, I'm not from Bangladesh. I'm from Pakistan. What made you think I'm from Bangladesh? I think there is even no internet there right now. Nothing special. Oh, great. Uh, So basically, in this stream, I'm gonna make a watch list for me because that's what I do on every weekend. I just make a watch list for me to look into. I look into the pairs that are clean and I just mark them, and then throughout the week I look into them and wait for my entry to appear. And once that happens, I just get into a trade. Hopefully, we have some clean pairs. The majors are shit right now, but expecting it to be clear next week because there are a lot of news. Oh, I see. Some people tells me my accent is Dutch. But it's the first time I heard someone telling me I sound like Bengali people. Are you for? No, I'm a student actually, so you just can't tell me like it is my source of income, but you just can't say that. I all I do is just trade. I have a lot of things to do apart from trading. Hi, Joshua. What's up? Check BTC. Yes, yes, I'm gonna go over them. But I'm just waiting a couple of minutes so people can join. Great, Joshua. Am I pronouncing it right? Is it like Joshua or Joshua? I'm from India. Great, man. By the way, this is the trade I am in. Nigeria grid. Hello, Wisdom. I'm in this trade right now. Like it's a swing trade on GBP USD. I feel like price is gonna go lower. What do you guys think about Euro and GBP? Esteban Sanchez. Hello man. Thanks for joining. It's great to have you here. Okay, so uh just gonna wait for 12:04. It's 12:03 right now, so just gonna wait 1 more minute and then I'll just begin with the outlook because I'll be doing a Q&A and weekly outlook. I'm also on the trade, expecting a nice sell. Yeah, it's kind of clean. It's kind of clean. Like I see some bearish order flow. I see some bullishness on DXY as well. So I believe it's set to go lower. No, I'm not from India. I'm from Pakistan. Yeah, everyone guesses my nationality wrong. Some some are saying are you Dutch? Some are saying are you Are you Bengali? Some are labeling me as Indian. Yeah, kind of funny. First clip crypto, please. Okay, sure. Let's start with crypto because I find crypto interesting as well. Okay, this was a previous idea. Okay, so I think that cryptos are pretty bullish and it's going towards the all-time highs. We have these equal highs right here. We have these highs that are close together. So it is set to go higher, but it just doesn't go up straight. So um, it's gonna do some retracements, and that's where the plan actually that's how we actually plan. So once we get a like a drawn liquidity, which we already have right now, we then look for our plan. We plan how we are gonna enter. So yeah. Do you think that Forex is easier to analyze than no, I feel every market is the same. It's literally the same. Hey Sal, what's up? So crypto last week I had this idea that market is gonna go into this fair value gap before going up, but Ethereum tapped this fair value gap and BTC didn't. So that's basically an SMT, right? That's an SMT. I consider that an SMT. If Ethereum hits a daily fair value gap or any fair value gap and BTC doesn't, that's just an SMT for me. So now what I expect is that since this is we are in a bullish order flow, what I expect is that price already took this external range right here. We have an internal range liquidity here and price closed below this as well. So it confirms that market will first come into this internal range liquidity before going up. And I think that I'm pretty sure market should not breach this low. It shouldn't come below this low if it wants to go higher. Sell, stop getting freaky. Damn, bro. Booty. Okay. Well, let's get serious. Okay. So Ethereum, um, and BTC, I think a retracement before going higher. This is what I expect. And this I actually took a trade right here as well. Like I shorted it here, and this was my stop loss. This was my final TP, and this was where my partials were. And yeah, then a break even. But unfortunately, I by mistake closed my trade right here. I was trying to partial it, and by mistake I clicked the close button. So, but yeah, I did sh share it beforehand in my server, so some people might have taken it. But yeah, it hit my first TP, and this was my final TP, which was never met, and then I got a break even. Now, I think that we will take this low and then go higher. Once price takes this low, I will look into some lower time frame confirmation, like on the 1 hour chart, and then we'll look for a long position because you just can't be bearish here. Like it can go lower. I'm not saying that it just have to go to the all-time high. Like it's not 100% thing, but seeing the order flow and seeing the trend, you just have to follow the trend. That is just what we should do. So expecting high prices, it can go lower, of course, but my idea is bearish. Hi Chris, what's up? Now let's take a look at it. Ethereum is completely desynced. So this was the fair value gap that I was talking about. You see how Ethereum takes it out, but BTC didn't. That for me is an SMT. I consider that an SMT, right? So for me that was an SMT, and now I don't expect price to come back down for BTC especially. I don't expect BTC to come down to take out this low because that doesn't show bullishness. So I think this is where we are gonna go up from. All right, so done with BTC and Ethereum. Ethereum is kind of weak right now, but yeah, it's in a bullish order flow and it is going higher. Do you guys agree with me on Bitcoin or no? What are your thoughts? How many years straight? 2 years. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is pretty clean. You can see we are in a clear bearish trend right now, at least for now. So we are just gonna look for sells until the trend shifts. So since I'm a scalper and for me, what matters the most is the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour chart. That matters a lot to me because I don't care if like the monthly chart is bullish. I don't care if like the weekly chart is bullish. If the 4 hour chart is like this or the 1 hour chart is like this, I'm gonna look for sells unless it just shifts its structure and we start some bullish order, but we start to see bullish order, that's when I'm just gonna continue to buy and continue to look for buys. But as of now, I expect lower prices, and I think that first we are gonna go into this internal range liquidity, and this internal range liquidity, this high is basically the daily internal range liquidity. So expecting the market to go up there because for me, price took out external range liquidity. There is an opposing candle formed. That means that we are more likely gonna go into this internal range liquidity. I have some confirmation. So once price takes out external range liquidity, I just don't directly jump into a trade targeting the internal range liquidity. I have some confirmations and I have made a video about it. So you can check it on the shorts. In the shorts, it's in the shorts. It's a short video. You can check it out on my YouTube and on my Instagram. These are just confirmations that I look for before targeting the IRL. So it's there. There is the opposing candle formed, and it's gonna go into this internal range liquidity. Then after that, we can see continuation lower, possibly. Learn new thing on BTC and Ethereum. Heard SMT first time. Man, like SMTs are important. Like they tell us a lot about what market is stronger, what the correlated pair might do. Because I always have these things kept in mind. So when I was targeting This right here, this internal range liquidity. I looked into Ethereum, and when BTC was somewhere around here, I saw that Ethereum has already tapped this here, right? Ethereum has already taken out this internal range liquidity. So that's where I thought that now it doesn't have to. I took partials. I mean, I told my group to take partials here. I personally closed it right here due to some errors. But yeah, like FVT SMT. Yes, yes, it is a thing because look, this is a low. Okay, look into this fair. This is a fair value gap, our internal range liquidity, right? A fair value gap. If I go into a lower time frame, this is just a low. This is just a 1 hour low. So if there is a low, 1 hour low on Ethereum, and then there is a 1 hour low at the same time formed on BTC, and one pair takes it out and the other doesn't, that just simply means that it's an SMT. So it is a real thing, and it is one of the reasons why some fair value gaps are left behind. Is is this ICT or SMC? This is ICT. These are ICT concepts. So these things they help me a lot, like this SMT in the fair value gap. These are some things that are really necessary and tells you a lot about the correlated pair. Well, so on Nasdaq, I think that price is gonna first go into the internal range liquidity, and then price is gonna continue going lower, right? So have a clear idea on this. You know what? I love ERL to IRL trades more than I love IRL to ERL, and I see a lot of people don't agree with me on this, but it's trading after all. Everyone have their own trading system and whatnot. For me, eh, price goes to from ERL to IRL more. Price is most likely gonna go from ERL to IRL than it is to go from IRL to ERL. Like, for example, take a look at this right here. Price is in a bullish trend. Still, it comes into the IRL, right? Now, after that, now look into it. From ERL to IRL, now does it go to IRL again? No, it doesn't. Then take a look here. IRL, does it go to the ERL? No, it doesn't. Now here, you guys are gonna say that this was ERL is taken out on the futures chart, it was taken out, but the IRL wasn't there. The reason was that US 500 or ES already took it. Take a look at this right here. The same thing that happened on BTC and Ethereum. So take notes of this. This thing has helped me a lot. So if I see ES taking out IRL, NQ and NQ is still yet to take that IRL, I then like I just withdraw from idea then. I'm not that sure on I will not be that sure on NQ to take out that IRL then because ES already did, so it doesn't have to. There is an SMT, right? So ERL to IRL trade, I can easily frame a setup here. I just hope it doesn't tap this IRL on Monday because I don't trade Mondays. So it will be amazing if price just consolidates on Monday and then on Tuesday we see a tap into the IRL so I can just trade it. Also, in the previous stream, I told everyone that oil is actually bearish. So, yep, we saw bearishness the whole week, and price is coming lower. It's really clear. Wait, guys, my window is opened and I'm hearing a lot of traffic. Let me close my window. Okay, great. All right, so expecting lower prices on oil as well. This is also pretty clean. You can see how bearish the market is, how it is expanding towards the downside. We are respecting bearish PD arrays. That means that we are in a clear bearish order flow on the daily chart. Going into the 4-hour chart, this is the chart that concerns me more than anything. So taking a look at it, it's just bearish, and I will be expecting lower prices. Now comes the most retarded pair, Euro and GBP, because they've been so shit last week. Uh, But my general idea is that markets are bearish. That is because if you look into the weekly chart, price is in a bullish order flow. Price took out a short-term low, and on the daily chart, we see price respecting this order block. You see how price is respecting that. So this suggests that price is going to go lower. Also, this is a range. So the range lows are already taken out. Now we can expect market to go towards the range highs. So keeping that in mind, I think euro is going to go lower. Euro is bearish. But GBP is more bearish than euro. So that's why I'm in a short position in uh, GBP USD. Turtle soup, like I don't understand. I don't know much about turtle soups, but I just look into short-term highs and lows. But yeah, I think this is what is referred to as a turtle soup. Oh my God, dude. Well, this was it for like GBP and euro. Let's take a look at gold, and gold is also really clean. We have range highs taken out. We have range lows here, and prices in a bearish order flow. So expecting market to go into this internal range weekly fair value gap, and I think it's a monthly fair value gap. Yep, so it's a monthly fair value gap. Already external range is taken out, bearish order flow. So I think that this is what's gonna happen next week. USD CHF. Let me check that. Well, this is kind of obvious. Yep, ERL to IRL. This is my target on USD CHF. This is really clean, bro. Like I think you can get some golden chances in this fair value gap for sells. This is the zone, bro. Like yes, this is financial is advice. Yes, just you know go go to the go to MT5 and just stake your house on it. I bet you are gonna make three houses out of it. Oh, but actually, it's not a financial advice, guys. I'm just kidding. You can check the description box. I've clearly written it. By the way, how are you gonna sue me? I'm in Pakistan and you can't sue me. Oh shit. I'll make an edit. But, but you guys can't do anything. I live in such a shit country. People don't know regulations here. Bro, it's yeah, but like you can't do anything. Can we see EU? Yes, sure, we can. I talked about it just now, but let me just repeat it. I think price is going lower, and it is pretty obvious. And the reason why I'm saying that is because GXY on the weekly chart is bullish, right? You can see that price takes out a low on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we see respect of this bullish order block. So I think it is going towards these highs. Do you use skill zones? Yes, I do use skill zones. Of course, USD CAD. Like if you are a trader, type up trader who trades on 1 hour or 4 hour, then like you don't need kill zones and that shit. But if you are someone who trades the M1 chart or the M5 chart or the like M10 or M15, then you kind of need to have track up kill zones. What are kill zones? Kill zones are some specific timings in which the markets are like more like it expands more. It's not consolidating at that times. There are some special time windows that were like taught to us by ICT. USD CAD. Okay, let me go into USD CAD. Oh wow, my old stupid prediction which was ruled out. On the weekly chart, we are in a range, and since the range lows are taken out, and we got support from the range lows again, and we got a red on this low as well. Now it does look like a equal low, but it isn't. It has actually taken this low out. I think that it's pretty obvious market is coming for this high, and then finally for this high. We have this bodies right here, so this is like basically the range high. I think that market is gonna go there, but it will be great. Like pairs look so clean, so I'm just gonna mark them out. Uh, USD CHF and USD CAD as well as gold and NAS. They are always in my freaking watch list. So pretty obvious prices coming towards these highs, but it will be really amazing if we see like at least a push to this um what is this thing called? Auto block. Yeah, so if we get into this auto block, it will be heavenly for me. I will go into the 1 hour chart and look for some entries. Time to range on USD care for yes, possibly, but we have a really explosive week ahead. Let me show you the Forex factory. Take a look at this. USD on Tuesday, two newses. JPY, AUD, Euro, CAD, USD, then USD again, CHF. So it's a pretty explosive week, and I don't think market is gonna like consolidate in the next week. Most likely, it's gonna expand. Time to get liquidated for real. Like just go all in on buys, like all in 100%. Gold forecast. Gold. External range liquidity is taken out on the monthly chart, and the price is going towards the internal range. We have confirmation of that from the lower time frame chart. As you can see, it's in a bearish order flow, so expecting the market to come lower right here. Thanks, Sal. Appreciate your support. Sal is my bookie. He's always there, bro. Like he's always in my streams. One of the best trader I know. Do you have Telegram? No, I don't have Telegram, but I have um, Discord. So you can check out the Discord. The link will be given in description. Let me check if it's in the description or no. It should be, but I'll just confirm it. If there isn't, I will update it. Yes, it is there. Check it out and let me know if it works. I'll update it if it doesn't work. Now, since I'm done with the forecast, etc., just I'm just taking questions. So let me know what questions you guys have. You start with high time frame ERL to I. I mostly when I want like a very assured setup or a very assured drawn liquidity. I will look for like a monthly or like a weekly I ERL to IRL because most of the time price is gonna definitely come into IRL. Okay, it may not go from IRL to ERL, but it has to come from ERL to IRL. So for me, I start with ERL to IRL on the higher time frame. In what low time frame? I take trades mostly on my M3, M1, or M5. Can one be? Yes, bro. ICT concepts are like so amazing, man. Like, look at the simplicity on my chart. Like, look at it. I don't have any indicators. I don't have anything. Like, look into it. Just simple a few lines, and I'm forecasting the market, and I'm doing it from like years, man. Like, without any indicators, without knowing what newses are, without knowing what the news release will be. All I need is just these candles. I'll look into it and I can just predict it where it's gonna go. I want to start from I want to start from the beginning again. I need teacher. I mean, you DM me on Discord. We can discuss that. Hey guys, let me just like break down my trades that I took last week. Not yeah, last week as well, and in the last couple of weeks, because I'm having such a great time. Let me just. I hope y'all can see my Discord now. Yeah. So I took two losses on Nasdaq on Friday, but before that, I was like in 7 trades, I got six right, and I lost only one. So uh, I'm kind of having such nice time, to be honest. So this was the first trade that I took, and it ended up in loser. Then I still had my bearish bias, and I went into another trade, just following my plan with proper risk management, and I lost that one as well. So I managed to end the week with like plus 1%, but yeah. And currently I'm in this short position uh, on GBP USD, and this was that trade on Bitcoin that I took last week, partials and a break even. Um, I took this trade on GU, which was also in which I was also stopped after partial, and I got a break even. So a plus 1% week last one, and before that I was just crazy. So it was going really crazy for me before that, and yeah, every single thing is called beforehand. Now, you know, guys, you know what? Like I have this server, but I I when I trade before when I share my trades beforehand when I share them before taking them, it actually helps my trading a lot. When I'm being transparent, because I just can't, like, even if I want to take a bad trade, I just can't. I just can't just post it in my Discord because what image am I like? What am I even gonna teach my students if I myself take bad trades? So it stops me trading live in the front of everyone. It stops me from taking bad trades. It helps me a lot. So for the sake of transparency, I just share all my trades. It's not some spoon feeding or something. And this was the trade that I took on gold, which is amazing. It was a 2R. This was a loser. This was a winner. A winner. Great. So, like, let me just give a proper explanation to one of the trades. So, there was this trade on gold that I took. This was the loser, and this was the one that I won. So, I had this bearish idea. Price was going to daily IRL, which was right here. So this was my drawn liquidity. Then I was waiting for the structure to get bearish, and oh shit, I forgot to change the window. Okay, so take a look at this trade right here. So I was expecting a tap into the daily IRL. So my bias was bearish on gold. Then I was looking for some confirmation on the lower time frame, and if you can see here, price took out this high, broke lower, price took out this high, broke lower. So that was like enough confirmation for me to get into a short position. And there is that break up the low. This there is my model. I entered there and exit at 2R. So that's what I generally target. I target 2R and it just delivered perfectly. My favorite trade from like the last couple of weeks is this one right here. Bearish order flow, expecting lower prices, price rates are high, and what else am I gonna look for? So I'm just gonna go into a lower time frame. I'm gonna look for an intermediate term high. I was anticipating this to be an intermediate term high, and it did stand it there. And this is my entry. This is my exit. And look at these trades, man. They're like so stress free. Like how many candles are these? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Like 7 minutes, just 7 minutes. This trade just took 7 minutes. And most of my trades are like this. They just take like 10 to 12 minutes or 15 minutes. And then I'm done. So really, really love my trading model, man. Well, now I don't have anything to say. So any questions and I'm gonna answer them. Also, join the Discord server. Like I'm more active there. You can just ask me questions. You can tag me there, share your screenshots and whatnot, chart screenshots, and I'll answer. And I'll answer. Just it's free. You can just join it. Plus, let me tell you about my prop partner. So I'm currently affiliated with Funded by Traders. So if you guys are looking for an account, make sure to check out Funded by Traders. You can get a discount with my code, which I'll type in for you. Where is the link? The link is in the description. I'll update it to the latest link. So like sometimes I don't know for some reason Discord just automatically invalidates the link. So I'll just update it. Just check it out now. Reload the stream and you will be able to see. Also, if you haven't liked the stream till now, just make sure to like. It just shows support to us. It helps us grow. ICT, which model are, if you can share video. I have like shared my trading model. You can check it out. I'm gonna link it. So do it doesn't work. Okay, try this. Try this link in the chat. You wanna learn ICT? You should check out the post that I made last yesterday. I'll share it with you guys. So wait, let me just share it here. So for anyone who, who's a beginner and needs guidance, you can check this out. I made this for the beginner traders. Name you use on Discord. My name is like Y3FQX. Let me just put my. But join the server. You can just find me there. It will be better. It will be easy for you actually. So join the server, and from there you can just. Amir Umar, you're my FIFA friend. Mm, who are you? Like I don't know your username on YouTube. Give me your Discord username. Man, listen. Oh, bro. So that's the thing. Like, look at how different your username is. Bro, I've never encountered you on my YouTube live stream, so I'm sorry. My name is like Y3FQX on Discord, guys. And in my profile details, you will see a messy GIF. So don't be actually scammed by scammers. You owe me FIFA coins. I don't owe you nothing. All I owe you is a 10-0 win, so I'm gonna smash you, bro. I've trained a lot. I've started put champs as well. But that's a different thing that I just get like smashed 5-0, 6-0 and that, but yeah, yeah, let's see. If I get beaten by you, it's gonna be so fucking embarrassing for me, seriously. Like, because I've been playing for quite some time now. I'm actually looking at USD CAD for the upside, these highs right here, and USD CHF for the downside. Sorry, CAD CHF, not USD CHF. Plus, I'm looking for an internal range liquidity to be taken out on Nasdaq, so I can just scalp it. And on the gold, I'm looking for bearish prices. On your USD, I'm looking for bearish prices. And on GBP, I'm in a short position, a swing short. Do you trade JPY pairs? Rarely, very rarely. Like the last time I took a trade on them, it was probably like I think 5, 6 months ago. I don't remember. And the reason why I stay away from them is mostly because of the fact of these kind of wicks, man. Like there are some crazy wicks on the JPY pairs, something like this. So that is like the reason why I kind of stay away from them. Apart from that, they're like really clean. These kind of wicks, so they can just literally get you liquidated, man. Like and the stop loss, etc. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work. I hope you guys joined the Discord server and well, yeah, so I think um I'm gonna end this stream if anyone doesn't have any questions because we already did what we wanted to do, like the weekly outlook, etc. So yep, I'm gonna end this stream. Let me know. I'll just wait 1 minute. If someone have any questions, they can just ask me. If not, I'm just gonna say goodbye. Yeah, man, just go watch something. I don't have a favorite one. I I don't know. Like even if I have to like watch, I don't go searching for the best one. Like anything can just like it can do the job. Anything can do the job. So I don't look into it its names. By the way, just let me know when are we playing, man. Like I really wanna play with you. When I get when I get a GF, hopefully you will get one sooner. Yeah, maybe. Bro, he's roasting you, man. Like, well, all right. So I'll just say goodbye and thanks to everyone who joined this stream and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so we can just arrange more of these often. And yeah, goodbye. Once again, thank you. What makes it hard, man? Like, what makes it hard to have a GF? Oh, paradox. Got heated on last. Oh yeah, you told me about that. I mean, it's really hard. Like, it's really hard in a way that to find a good partner because like a lot of people are just like gold diggers. A lot of people are very unserious, and when they get into a relationship, they don't look for that seriousness. They don't look for that longevity in the relationship. They just want to have fun. So they just take it like any casual thing. They just treat it like a casual thing. They don't treat it like a relationship. And it's really hard to find something like that. Someone who actually truly loves you, someone who actually want to stay with you. Yeah, exactly. And but it's really hard to like, because yeah, man, join the Discord. girlfriend comes with a lot of issues, and I'm slowly becoming an android. How can I learn ICT? For ICT, I actually shared the document. You can check that. Um, I'll just paste it for you once again. I personally feel like relationships are good, but only if you have a good partner. So, um, not someone who, so if you're like just wasting time, it's just not worth it because you need to be serious in your relationship. And in the period you are together and in the period you guys are talking, you guys are familiarizing yourself with each other. You would be able to understand if this person is gonna stay with me, or if this person is for me or no. Yes, I am still in mine. Like it's perfectly fine. So it's hard to find the right person, but if you get one, if you find someone that actually supports you, if you find someone that is there in your ups and downs, then it's really amazing. Yeah, yeah, you can say that. So I have to like end my stream right now, because uh I kind of can't speak to be honest. I don't know. I'm suddenly feeling something. Come over to Discord. We can talk on that. I'm active on Discord, so we can just talk there about it. But yeah, yes, I do. Exactly. You are right, Peter. Some people, the problem is actually that some people are not raised the right way. Some people the if you actually give love to your kids, if you actually treat them with love, if you actually show them what love is and what how beautiful love is, if you actually show it to your kids, then that kind of kids when they grow up, they're actually loyal. They are the ones who stay there. They are the ones who look for love, unlike the others who look for worldly materials, who look for money, who look to time to pass their time. So yeah, all right. So goodbye for real this time. Thank you all for joining, and yeah, we can talk on this on Discord. So yep, goodbye.